Students, in today's video, let us see second order derivative. Second order derivative. Let y equal to f of x is a function. Okay. Therefore, if we differentiate this, then we get dy by dx. Differentiate this with respect to x, we get f dash x. Okay. So this will be f dash x. Now, if f dash x is differentiable, we may differentiate this to again. If f dash x is differentiable, then we can differentiate number 2 again and take the second order derivative. Therefore, differentiating this, we get d square y upon dx square, that will be equals to f double dash a. So this will be the second order derivative. This is derivative of dy by dx is written as d square y by dx square. Okay. Now, which is called the second order derivative, which is called the second order derivative. Second order derivative. ठीक है स्टूडेंट? तो अगर आपको एक फंक्शन दिया है तो आपको उसको एक बार डिफरेंशिएट करना है. अगर डिफरेंशिएबल है f dash x, so again you have to differentiate derivative of dy by dx. Again it will be written as d square y by dx square, and derivative of f dash x is f double dash x. Okay. The second order derivative f of x is denoted by f dash x. The second order derivative is denoted by f double dash x से डिनोट करते हैं, या y डबल डैश से, या y2 से भी डिनोट हम कर सकते हैं. सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव या d स्क्वायर y से भी, या सिंपली d स्क्वायर y. जनरली we use this and this one. Okay. f double dash x means second order derivative, या y double dash या y2 means second order derivative. Now see the questions of this. How to find second order derivative of the given function. Okay. So question is, find the second order derivative. Question: find the second order derivative of the following functions. ठीक है. तो आपको सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव निकालना है. सपोज y is equal to number 1, it is given that y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2 suppose. Okay. This is the function f of x is given, that is y is given. So solution here, y equals to x square plus 3x plus 2. Differentiating with respect to x, we get y dash or dy by dx. या तो dy by dx लिखो या y dash. This will be equal to derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of 3x is 3. Again, now this is also differentiable function. Again differentiating with respect to x. So we get d square y by dx square means y double dash So it means 2s. Derivative of 2x is 2, derivative of 3 is 0. So this is the second order derivative of this function. Take another question. Take x raised to the power 20. Suppose y equals to x raised to the power 20. Solution. Here y equals to x raised to the power 20. Now differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x, we get y double dash y dash, that dy by dx means y dash equal to 20 into x raised to the power 20 minus 1, that is 19. Now this is also differentiable. Now again differentiating with respect to x. So this is d square y by dx square, that is y double dash. So 20 into 19 into x raised to the power, it will be 18. 19 minus 1. Okay. So this will be 380 x raised to the power 18. So this is the second order derivative. Take another question. Y equals to, third question. Y equals to, takes x cos x, suppose x into cos x. This is given. You have to differentiate this and again differentiate. Find d square y by dx square. So solution here y equals to x into cos x, differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx, that is y dash. So find the derivative of the first function. The derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x into derivative of x is 1. So therefore y dash equal to minus x sin x plus cos x. Again differentiating. With respect to x. So d square y by dx square, that is y double dash. So इसका डेरिवेटिव निकाल के माइनस को बाहर लेगा, x into sin x का फर्स्ट फंक्शन x, the derivative of sin x is cos x plus second function sin x into derivative of x is 1 और cos x का डेरिवेटिव minus sin x. So this will be minus x cos x minus sin x. This is minus sin x. So that will x cos x minus 2 sin x. Then minus x cos x minus sin x minus 2 sin x. Minus x cos x minus 2 sin x. Okay. This is the second order derivative. Next question. Next question number 4. Log x y equals to log x. Okay. So solution here y equals to log x, differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx, that is y dash, derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Okay. Again this is also again differentiating with respect to x. So d square y by dx square, that is y double dash, derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x square. So next question, x cube into log x. Question number 5, y equal to x cube into log x. X cube into log x. So here y equals to x cube into log x. Okay, so differentiate this now. Differentiating with respect to x. So therefore dy by dx, that is y dash equal to first function x cube, second function log x. So first function into derivative of second function log x का 1 upon x हो जाएगा, plus log x into derivative of x cube is 3x square. So x cube 1x, that is x square plus 3x square into log x. So this is the first order, first derivative. Again differentiating. With respect to x. So d square y by dx square y double dash x square का डेरिवेटिव 2x प्लस अभी 3 को बाहर ले लो, डेरिवेटिव निकालो x square into log x का. So first function as it is, derivative of log x 1 upon x plus log x into derivative of x square is 2x. X square first function, derivative of log x 1 upon x plus log x derivative of x square, that is 2x. So this is 2x plus this will be x only, 3 से multiply करो इसको, 3 से multiply करो, x square upon x, that is x, 3 into, that is 3x plus 3 into this 2x भी है आगे तो 6x log x. Okay, that is 5x plus 6x log x. 5x plus 6x log x. This will be the derivative of second order derivative of x cube into log x. Next question. Question number 6. Y equals to e raised to the power x into sin 5x. Sin 5x. Okay. So solution. Here y equals to e raised to the power x into sin 5x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx, that is y dash. अभी ये पहला फंक्शन है e raised to the power x और sin 5x दूसरा फंक्शन है. तो प्रोडक्ट को लगा फर्स्ट फंक्शन एज इट इज इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin 5x इज cos 5x. sin का cos, लेकिन ये भी डोमेन 5x है तो इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 5x इज 5 प्लस सेकंड फंक्शन sin 5x इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e raised to the power x is e raised to the power x. So that is e raised to the power x cos 5 टाइम्स, देखो ये 5 इधर ले लो, 5 टाइम्स e raised to the power x cos 5x, ओके, प्लस e raised to the power x into sin 5x. This is the dy by dx. Again differentiating with respect to x. So d square y by dx square, that is y double dash. 5 को कांस्टेंट है, 5 बाहर ले लो, this 5 again e raised to the first function as it is into derivative of cos 5x is minus sin 5x into derivative of 5x is 5 क्या होगा cos phi x का डेरिवेटिव प्लस cos phi x into derivative of e raised to power x is into e raised to the power x. Okay, this is phi इसका डेरिवेटिव प्लस first function as it is derivative of sin phi x is cos phi x into derivative of phi x is phi u plus sin phi x into derivative of e raised to the power x e raised to the power x. Okay, therefore we get okay, I am writing here. Therefore we get d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square. तो देखो ये क्या होगा माइनस 5 e raised to the power minus 5 into this again 5, so it will be 25 minus 25 5 into this 5 and this minus 25 e raised to the power x sin 5x. Okay, then plus this is 5 into plus 5 times e raised to the power x into cos 5x. Then come to this one 5 times this is 5 into, so plus 5 times e raised to the power x into cos 5x. Okay, and then this is plus e raised to the power x into sin 5x. Okay, so 25. See, e raised to the power x is sin 5x, e raised to the power x into sin 5x. कितने हो गए minus 25, this will be minus 24 e raised to the power x into sin 5x. Okay, this is 5 plus 5 e raised to the cos x and 5 10 e raised to the power x cos 5x. Okay, so I can take this common 2 and take it common, 2 को कॉमन ले, यहाँ से 2 को कॉमन ले तो क्या होगा 5 तो 2 ही कॉमन ले सकते हो e raised to the power x into cos 5x. this is minus ये कितना हुआ 12 minus 12 e raised to the power x into sin 5x. e raised to the power x can also be taken outside, 2 into e raised to the power x, 2 into e raised to the power 5 cos 5x, 5 cos 5x minus this is 12 sin 5x. Okay, so this will be the answer, derivative of second the second order derivative. Okay, then come to next question. Next question number 7, e raised to the power 6x. Question number 7, y equals to e raised to the power 6x, okay, into cos 3x, इसका सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव निकालना है. So differentiating solution here, y equals to e raised to the power 6x into cos 3x. This is given. So differentiating with respect to x, differentiate करो इसको. Okay, so therefore dy by dx that is y dash equal to, this is first function, this is second function. So e raised to the power 6x का डेरिवेटिव, e raised to the power 6x का डेरिवेटिव 6, या हम ऐसे करते प्रोडक्ट को फर्स्ट फंक्शन एज इट इज e raised to the power first function as it is, the derivative of cos 3x is minus sin 3x into derivative of 3x is 3 plus second function cos 3x into derivative of e raised to the power 6 is e raised to the power 6x into 6. So this comes minus e raised to the power 6x into sin 3x, and this 3 times also 3 is also here, so I am writing 3. So this is minus 3 minus this is 3. Okay, here it is 6 times 6 into e raised to the power 6x into cos 3x. Okay, now again differentiating with respect to x. So this will be d square y by dx square, that is y double dash equals to, तो पहले इसको डिफरेंशिएट करो, -3 को बाहर ले लो, -3 कांस्टेंट नंबर, e raised to power 6x into sin 3x का डेरिवेटिव, फर्स्ट फंक्शन एज इट इज into derivative of sin 3x is cos 3x into derivative of 3x is 3 plus second function as it is sin 3x into derivative of e raised to power 6x is e raised to power 6x into 6. Okay, I plus 6 into constant number 6, first function as it is into derivative of cos 3x is minus sin 3x into derivative of 3x is 3 plus second function cos 3x into derivative of e raised to power 6x is e raised to power 6x into 6. Okay, so this is minus 3 into this 3 9 minus 9 e raised to the power 6x into cos 3x plus this is 6 into this 3. Okay, this is minus 3, so minus 18, minus 3 into 6 minus 18 e raised to the power 6x into sin 3x, okay, plus 6 into 3 into this plus 18, it is minus also, this is minus 18 e raised to the power 6x into sin 3x, then 6 into 6 plus 36 e raised to the power 6x into cos 3x. Okay, therefore d square y by dx square, therefore y double dash equal to, ये देखो cos 3x के टर्म्स sin 3x ये है, sin 3x ये है, minus 18 minus 36 e raised to the power 6x into sin 3x e raised to the power 6x sin 3x minus 18 और ये 36 e raised to the power 6x cos 3x and minus 9 e raised to the power 6x cos 3x, so it will be 27 plus 27 e raised to the power 6x into cos 3x, right? So answer 9 e raised to the power 6x कॉमन ले लो, 9 into e raised to the power 6x में कॉमन लेता हूँ इसमें से, तो कितना बचेगा 3 e raised to the power 6x भी कॉमन ले लिया मैंने, तो 3 cos 3x, 9 into 3 27 e raised to the power 6x, this is cos 3x, this is minus, this will be 4 e raised to the power 6x, taken outside sin 3x, minus 4 sin 3x. So this is the answer, 9 times e raised to the power 6x in bracket 3 cos 3x minus 4 sin 3x. Okay student, this is the answer, double derivative. Next question number 8. Take question number 8. What is question? Question number 8 is tan inverse x y equals to tan inverse x. Find the second order derivative. The solution here y equals to tan inverse x. Okay, differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx, therefore dy by dx That is why that derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, right? 1 upon 1 plus x square. So I can write this as 1 plus x square raised to the power minus 1. Here it is 1 minus 1. Therefore, again differentiating with respect to x. So d square y by dx square y double dash. जैसे x raised to the power n का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है, n into x raised to n minus 1. So this is minus 1 into 1 plus x square raised to the power minus 1, right? Therefore y double dash equal to minus 1 into 1 plus x square raised to the power minus 2. So that is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square. Here I'm taking minus 1 into 1 plus x square in minus 1. Now this is x square also. So derivative of x square is 2x. This is also 2x. So it will be 2x. So that will be minus 2x upon 1 plus x square whole square. Okay. Then next question, that is 9. What is 9? Log of log x. Y equals to log of log x. So solution. Here y equals to log of log x. Okay, log of log x. So differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx, that is y dash. Log of x है तो 1 upon x डेरिवेटिव होता है. तो log x है तो 1 upon log x into derivative of 1 upon x. That is 1 upon x log x. 1 upon x log x. Okay. So therefore, again differentiating with respect to x. Okay. So d square y by dx square equal to, इसको मैं ऐसा लिखता हूँ, x log x raised to the power minus 1. चलेगा? So this will be minus 1 into इसका डेरिवेटिव minus 1, इसका पावर in minus 1 होगा x log x raised to the power minus 2 होगा, minus 1 into derivative of x log x. So this will be minus x log x power minus 2 into इसका डेरिवेटिव of first function as it is to derivative of second function 1 upon x plus log x into derivative of x is 1. Okay. Therefore, y double dash equal to minus, I can write the minus 1 upon x log x whole square, positive. Okay. Into this is x cancel, 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x. So 1 plus log x upon x log x whole square. So that is, therefore y double dash equal to minus 1 plus log x upon x log x whole square. So this will be the derivative. Now take last question. Question number 10. Question number 10. Y equals to sine of log x. Sine of log x. So solution. Here y equals to sine of log x. So differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx, that is y dash, sin of x है तो cos x हो जाएगा, sin of log x है तो cos of log x, लेकिन डोमेन भी फंक्शन है इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log x इज 1 अपॉन x, ऐसा लिखना पड़ेगा. Therefore dy by dx, that is y dash, equal to cos of log x upon x. Okay, this is the single derivative. Again differentiating this with respect to x. Again differentiating with respect to x. So it will be d square y by dx square, that is y double dash. So quotient rule लगाओ, denominator into derivative of numerator cos of log x, denominator into derivative of numerator minus cos of log x into derivative of x is 1 upon denominator square. Okay, so this will be x into इसका डेरिवेटिव cos of log x का हो जाएगा minus sin of log x, cos का minus sin into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus cos of log x का डेरिवेटिव x into derivative of cos of log x minus sin of log x, derivative of log x is 1 upon x, then minus cos of log x upon x square. So that is equal to this 1 upon x will cancel. So this is minus sin log x, x फिर यहाँ का है माइनस साइन लॉग x इंटू 1 अपॉन x कैंसिल हो गया तो माइनस साइन लॉग x माइनस कॉस लॉग x अपॉन x स्क्वायर. तो माइनस को बाहर ले सकते हैं हम, माइनस इन ब्रैकेट साइन ऑफ लॉग x प्लस कॉस ऑफ log x upon x square So this is the answer. The x square जो है वो इसका है. So in this way we can find second order derivative. You practice these questions. It's very easy. Okay, thank you.